easy.
Yeah.
Ryder, I don't feel like fixing any cars today. Yeah.
Oh no! I'm out of gas! I need to call somebody. Worker man?
What was that? Hello? Yes?
Yes, I'm out of gas.
Hey, you sound familiar. I think we helped you last year.
Please help.
Okay, here. Let's go talk to Ryder. Here, Ryder. Hello?
Yes, I'm out of gas.
I know you. I helped you last year.
I'm out of gas.
Oh, you're stuck again? Oh, okay, we'll fix it.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I'm gonna stay here. Why don't you go? Okay.
Hey, worker man.
Hey, we helped you last year and I was a mouse now.
You know what? You're right. I have another problem though. I ran out of gas.
Again?
Uh-oh.
I know. I was just in a hurry and forgot. Can you fill it up or what? Hey, that's water. That's not right. I need gas, not water.
Sorry, I got real gas this time. I'll show you my bill, ma'am.
Okay, I'll make sure to pay it. Have a nice day.
Wait! You're telling me that you've been watching all my videos and you haven't subscribed yet? Go ahead and subscribe. It looks like this. I had to put gas in a tank. That's funny.
Oh no!
Ooh, what's
I have a flat tire. Oh man, a flat tire. Worker man? Yes, it's me again. My tire's flat now.
What? Your wheel is broke? Watson, whole wheel is broken. Yes.
My tire's flat now.
Your wheel's broken? Ugh. I'll be right there.
All right, bye.
I don't feel like working this way. What is it, man?
Well, you're not very chipper.
Well, that dude over there just woke me up from a nap. Okay, that's $100.
$100 for a flat tire? Just bill me.
Okay. Okay, don't call us again. We're very busy people. We're very sleepy.
What?
All right. See you later.
Bye. What's going on here? I hired someone new and he's my assistant.
What? My engine's smoking. He's not going to be happy I'm calling him again, but I don't have anybody else to call. Worker man? Yes, it's me again. Now my engine's smoking. Please, hurry. All right, bye.
Yes? You again? Your engine's not working? We'll fix it. Bye-bye. Your engine's not working, Ryder. That means we both have to fix it. Probably. Let's go. Yeah. It's so hot out here. We should go get a glass of water. You ready back there? Yes.
What took you guys so long? The fire's getting really out of hand.
Okay, let us get our tools.
Man, you don't have to be so loud.
Ryder, what's that? A spider? That's not a mouse. That was a mouse. Ma'am, you have to come look at this.
What is it?
That's what was in your engine, ma'am.
What was it?
Hey, I've been waiting in the line for 10 whole minutes. Welcome, sir. You need to park your car. Sorry, sir. Here's the keys. Take care of my car. I don't want to see any scratches. Tip, you're not getting no tip. I don't want to see a scratch. Oh, whoops. What? I'm in a monster truck so I can park this for you? Sure. Here's the money. Thanks. And the key. Thank you. Listen, this is a very big and powerful monster truck, so be careful. Okay, and take care of yourself. Oh yeah, it's a monster truck.
Stop the truck! You're getting me dirty!
Let's go! For the first lesson, we're gonna race. You gotta drive through these cones without hitting them. It's Monster Jack Chop! Let's go! That's how it's done, son. Let's go. Run for your life! Oh no! Whoops! Oh, brother! Let's get soup. Mine's not like this. What time is it? It's time of time. Hey, Summer's mine. Hey, everybody. Let's smash Mommy's pie. I'm not going away with that. Evil! What time is it? It's time. I totally missed. That didn't work. Whoa. Let's smash this baby. That was fun. Again. You smashed it. Let's smash this baby. Well, this dude didn't work. Thanks for watching our video. Check out our Instagram page, Braxton and Ryder Show. You can see all of our new videos. And don't forget to subscribe.